How to fix can't install TenTen app Play Store in your Android device. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your Settings application, scroll below and tap onto Apps. From here, type in Play Store. You will see Google Play Store. Tap onto it, then tap on Storage. Here, clear the cache. Come back and under App Info, tap on Force Stop on your bottom right, then tap on OK. Now, as you have done that, if it's still not working for you, then let's head over to your Play Store. Tap onto your initial on your top right, then tap on Settings. Here, tap on General. Scroll below and expand the option of Network Preferences. Tap on App Download Preferences and make sure you toggle on over any network. Then tap on OK. Tap on Auto Update Apps, then tap on over any network. Do the same for autoplay videos. Once you do so, restart your device and try again. This shall fix your problem. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.